Okay, the reason why I'm recording this plane is because I've noticed that it has two different sounds to it. The first one is a military sound, and then the second one is like a Mason gang stalking plane. And I think that this is a hologram. This thing that you see blinking in the distance, that's a hologram. Because it has two distinct sounds, and it doesn't make any sense. Because I was standing here listening to it, and I go, okay, that sounds like a military plane. And then it converts it to like one of those gang stalking prop planes. So this is how the deep military-industrial complex is fucking with people. It's still off in the distance, it went past the tree and stuff, but that's why I'm recording all this stuff. Is because they have technology where they are literally fucking us with so much shit. These reptilian pieces of shit. I can't stand them. I can't fucking stand them. It's still over there. See, now it converted. See the sound? It's no longer a military sound. They changed their tune, in other words. So these planes, these holograms that they have, they're able to change the sound frequency. One from a really intense military plane down to like a stupid prop plane. This is how they do it, man. Fucking lizards. Okay, this is a military plane. It's a C-130, I believe. But that's interesting. I think I caught something. So I was standing there, and it was pretty quiet. And then that plane over there is the same plane. It came off as really highly military. It's a strategy. It's an intimidation thing. And then all of a sudden, it like had a different sound. All of a sudden, that's what I'm saying. Like people were made of light, color, and sound, and the elite are fucking with it. That's what our DNA is made up of. And they're using it to their advantage. Anyways. Alright. I hope that helps. They're morphing sound. They're able to morph the sound and change it. Alright, I'll be back.